Yeah, so we can see you can still use the IAM user created the first day.
Okay.
Instead of going through the whole process. Okay, fine. So policy, okay, a policy is an object in AWS. Okay, scroll down. We'll see where we need a policy and see if we need to create a new one. Add the user button. Okay. Oh, they are trying to. Okay. I think our user has administrative access, so we should not worry about. Okay, fine. So configure Prometheus service discovery. Okay, let's hold it here. We need to go back to Prometheus and change the configuration. Okay, so we are going to SSH into it, but thank God we are still logged into our server, aren't we? Okay, fine. So yeah, let's confirm that by going to VS Code. So we are no longer in the server because we left it for more than 10 minutes or thereabouts. So all you can do is just press your up key. Oh, fine. So enter. That should put us back in the machine. Oh, fine. So we are in. Let's go back. So scroll down. Scroll down. So we need to edit our Prometheus YAML file. And in this case, we are adding a job name and node. Then we are supposed to put. So one thing I would advise here is, why don't you copy the job name node or starting from job name node? Paul. Is Paul still on this call? Paul, okay, no need. We'll find out. I would rather not ask that question. Okay, go to job name. Okay. For this job name, all we have to do here is to add it to the existing configuration files. You don't have to change the global or whatever, right? All we are lifting is taking the job name. We are copying all the way from the hyphen job name down to port 9100, right?
Yes.
And we are appending it to our existing file. Exactly, yeah. Yes. Because I spent some time on that.
You spent what?
I said I spent some time on that when I was working on my project, although I knew we were supposed to attend, but I wanted to be sure, so it took me some time. So since this is a recorded session, I would want to have clarity instead of jumping back and forth. So let's take this to your notepad. No, we are not doing that yet, not yet. You want to clean up
notepad.
That, yeah, or whatever. Yeah, you can copy it there. So paste it there. So we want to put exactly our access key and everything there. So it's going to be a lot cleaner when we get to Nano. So our access key, go back to that CSV file. So yes, so our access key, yes, put the access key there, copy, put the access key there. Okay, so what's wrong with this one that has actually scattered the indentation?
Why did it exactly?
Okay, let's expand that. Let's see. Oh, it's your sticky notes. Okay, scroll. Okay, all the way down. So keep that in your clipboard. So we have to go and we have to use sudo nano. We have to erase that clipboard. Okay, sudo nano /etc /
so that means I have to. Okay, nano. Can I use the arrow keys here?
Let's see if it retain our sessions. Oh yeah, use the arrow key. I doubt that, but try it. Arrow key. It's a fresh session. Is it working?
No. Not working. Okay,
yeah, this is a fresh session, so it's not saved. Sudo nano. You have to go and copy that part too.
Yeah.
The etc / Prometheus file. What was that? You want to go and copy?
It's not
from here.
this.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. Prometheus / Prometheus the YAML. No,
Wait,
that's it.
this one, right?
Yes. It's even in the tutorial itself.
Oh.
But it's fine. It's fine. Just copy it somewhere and let's move on. Space. No. There's no space between here and none. You have to use the arrow keys.
It's too fast. I don't know when I'm going to stop using the mouse.
Does it have you don't need the tilde? Space.
Yeah.
Space, then delete the tilde. Yeah. Enter. You can press enter from anywhere. Yeah. So your down arrow keys. Down, with your arrow keys. Yes, exactly. Down. Keep going to the end of that file. To the end of yeah. So then you can paste whatever it is you want to paste there. Then we'll adjust it for indentation. Okay. So here's the job. We have to add indentation now. Make it look like what we have ahead of it. Yes. So the job name should be indented the same way the Prometheus job name is indented. Yeah. The secret key seems to be ahead of its pairs. Exactly. So Control X. Yes. Enter. So let's go back to the instruction. Do we have to restart Prometheus so the configuration can take place or can take effect or something? So scroll up.
Yes, just do restart there.
Yeah, you have to restart. So enter. So let's go back to Prometheus now. That same URL.
This one?
Yeah, yes. So click on status.
Yes.
Status, go to status. Yeah, targets. It can only say itself. Why? So what result are we expecting? So you should see.
You've not added a new server, right? Or have you added a new server?
We have the server.
The backend is up.
Yeah, the backend. So let's go to instance.
Yeah, you have to configure the backend as well, unless you
have done that. I think it's supposed to have so click on that backend. It's supposed to have a node exporter installed by default.
Backend, yes.
Yeah, click on backend. Let's see.
Is it this one?
Yes, but you know what? Let's go back to the instructions first. Let's go back to the instructions.
Which instructions?
Yeah, yes. So we can't find it. Okay, see other instance registers in Prometheus for all instances in the same network. Okay, so go to the class, the instructions for the project. Scroll down. Okay, set up backend monitoring. In order for EC2 instances to speak to Prometheus, we need to install an exporter in each one. Create a job that uses Ansible to go into instance and install the exporter. So add a section to your backend configuration job to install node exporter. Scroll down. I think I know where the error is coming from. Scroll down. Go to config.yaml file now. Config.yaml file. Go to, okay. The area I want to go to is deploy server. Go back to the Ansible, the Circle CI folder where we have deploy, yeah. Sorry, not there. Sorry. I think my Ansible. Then deploy tags main.yaml, the main.yaml there. Yes. No, not this. Sorry. Deploy backend. No, deploy backend. Yes. Is this it? Just a minute. I want to confirm something. So deploy, so we are supposed to configure, oh, good. So it should be under configure server. So let's check our roles, configure server, configure server, yes. Configure server under roles, the tasks. Main.yaml, yes. Is that it?
No, I think it would be the configure Prometheus.
Okay,
node exporter.
Okay, try configure notice. Calm down. It's not supposed to be a guess game. Oh, I know where it is. It's not there. Click on configure server.yaml, the one above deploy backend YAML. Yeah. Yes, click on that. Scroll down. Scroll down. Exactly. We didn't install Prometheus. So we have to start this all over again with that uncommented. Line 48 should not be.
Or you can manually install the node server on the backend. And then just
we can do that as well. You know what? Only line 48 should be uncommented. Line 48 alone. So yes, control / or command / yeah, fine. So this is going to ensure that all but please push this. But yeah, push this. Hold on. We can decide to hold on, please. Don't push it. Yeah. We can decide to either push this and make sure that all our next job will have this. We'll configure Prometheus node exporter. But the problem with that is once we push this, it's going to delete the existing infrastructure and create a new one. Do you understand? So we would have to wait. So do we do that and wait, or we just try to install Prometheus on the existing backend server?
I think I think it's best to do it manually because of the screenshots you have taken already.
Okay. So let's go and try it. Let's go and do it manually.
Where?
So trying to, okay, fine. So go back to the instructions. Go back to, yeah. So there's another, go to the top of this tutorial. No, just go to the top of this tutorial.
Wait. Okay.
Do we have is there any directive on how to install this manually? Because I know it's on this top of this tutorial.
Yeah, it's at the top of this.
So click on that. The second tutorial, yeah. So scroll down. I remember this picture vividly. I must have spent some time on this page. Scroll down. Well, it's not, it's simple anyway. Scroll down. The good thing about this is the key pair of the backend server is the same thing as the Prometheus server. So we can just scroll down. So in order to install, hold it please. In order to install Prometheus server on any machine, but we'll be doing this for our backend, we will need to SSH into the machine using a command similar to this. Then we need to follow every other instruction that follows. So let's go and SSH into the backend machine. We know Prometheus is up and running now, but okay, go to your Visual Studio Code, VS Code. So let's quit this machine, and so we can SSH into backend. Yeah, exit. Enter. So let's go back to our EC2 console. Let's go to EC2 console. So while we are in the back, okay, let's try to connect to backend. Just click on connect. I like copying and pasting a whole lot. It saves me some stress, and that is one disadvantages as well. Other example, just click on that copy icon. Example. Copy icon, yeah. Just go back to your VS Code. Paste that. Enter. Yes. Okay, so now we're in the machine. Let's go back to the instructions. So follow that one after the other. So sudo user add no creator mono desktop. So let's just copy that. Paste it into our terminal. Paste it into the terminal. Enter. Go back and copy the whole of those commands at a time, one at a together at the same time. We are so sure, yeah. So copy. Paste. Go fine. So go back to the instructions. Scroll down. And so we are going to copy this directory, create /. So we'll start from / etc.service here. So copy that. Then we are going to use nano as usual. Sudo nano. Yeah. Paul, do you prefer nano or Vim? Or VI, sorry. Hello? Paul seems to have taken a break.
I'm here.
So do you prefer nano, or what's your best text editor?
I use Vim mostly, but Nano is the easiest.
Yes, exactly. It's like you like hard things. So go back to the tutorial, please. So just copy from units all the way down to target.
Make sure this one won't.
Yeah, no, it's this is a very, very good citizen. So Control X. Yeah, this is so easy to use. Enter. So let's go back to the instructions. Scroll down. So boom, just copy everything here too and dump it. That's the right word. Okay, enter. So that the last command on your command line would work. So next, go back to, so it's actively running now. The node expector is running. We can see that from the last instructions. Can you see?
Yes.
Node expector.service active running since 3 seconds ago. So go back to the tutorial. Scroll down. Okay, start a Prometheus session in the host machine. Edit. Oh, this is assuming that we we need to scroll down. Oh, this is assuming that we need to manually add the, what do you call it, the EC2 instance. But luckily for us, we already added some configuration that can enable the Prometheus fetch all our instances by giving it our key pair details, user key pair details. So we don't need to do this. Let's go back and check our Prometheus. Go back to the terminal. No, not terminal, please. Go back to the browser. Browser.
Okay.
Go back to the browser. Yes. So reload. Okay.
That's all.
I'm disappointed. Oh, yeah, let's go back and check. What did we do wrong?
Where are we going?
You need to check the backend server to check if it's the security groups.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So let's go to the backend server and make sure that we have the security group that will enable us to access it from port 9100. Yeah, port 9100, I believe. So security groups. No, don't copy, just click on it. Exactly. So scroll down. Scroll to the left. No. Okay. 9100 is accessible. Yeah, because we added that into. So why is it not reachable then? Oh, we'll find out. Let's go back.
Do you know the port that the node exporter is using? Are you sure it's 9100 and not 1990 or 1993?
No, 1990 is for Prometheus. 9100 should be for node exporter. Let's go back, or maybe we have to restart Prometheus.
We'll restart Prometheus.
Let's go back to the instructions first before we start restarting and stopping devices. Scroll down. Oh, I said it. We have to restart Prometheus. Okay, so that means you have to go back to the Prometheus server and restart Prometheus. So
can't you do it on VS Code?
we will go to VS Code. Okay, let's go to VS Code. So you have to exit this machine. Control C first. So use your up arrow keys. Up arrow key. Oh, sorry, exit. You want to exit this machine. So up arrow keys here now. Up arrow keys. Oh, enter now. I'm sure this should be the Prometheus server. Oh, no. Did you press that again? Now you have to go and copy. I can no longer guarantee that that is it. Please go back. Go back and copy. Not there. No, not this one. We need the exact IP address of our Prometheus server. So go back to EC2 instances. I was trying to avoid this, but we made a mistake with the, I was not here. Yes, so we need the IP, the Prometheus here, just Prometheus. Press connect. It's always easier that way. It's good to be lazy most times. So fine.
Exactly.
Yes. Paste that. There's S behind after what you pasted. S, how come? Paste again. Enter. It should work now. There was S behind what you entered before. Oh, fine. So go back and copy that command to start Prometheus. So paste, run. So go back and check on Prometheus. Oh, I think it's still running or what?
Okay.
Let's give it some time.
But nothing's happening.
So you want to check again?
Okay. Stop.
It's up. Then what's wrong?
Yeah.
So what could be the result of error? So
Stop.
you know what? Let's go back to the instructions again. To the yes. So scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. It's seeing just one advice here. Scroll up. Hello.
Hello?
Someone is speaking about that. Okay. I thought that was Paul. Scroll up now.
Yes, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, scroll up. I was expecting to see two different machines there. Scroll up.
I still think it might be the gateway. I mean, the security keys or something.
Okay, the security group, right? So what do you think we do? That we add 9, we open up 9, what do you call it? 9100 90 and
Yes,
93,
because
right?
for the Prometheus server to be able to see the backend, the backend must be able to send some metrics out.
Oh,
You understand? So the ports that the matrix is using is definitely not 91.
00. Okay, so okay, let's go back to backend. EC2 instances. So we want to connect to backend, want to get backend security groups. So we are going to bless it with a lot of ports. So we are adding 1993 as well, and 1990 to be safe. So add rule 1993 and 1990. So we are just blessings with these ports. So save rules. So let's go back and try to, we have to restart Prometheus.
Try refresh first.
Okay, let's try to refresh first. Let's restart Prometheus then. So let's go back and check. Or maybe we're the one, okay. Let's go to the classroom. Let's go to the instructions. Let's see what we're expecting.
Oh,
We're
still the same thing.
expecting Prometheus and other people. So what's wrong?
Did you configure? Okay. Already added it.
No, the classroom is showing Office too.
Oh, it's supposed to be 2.
Yes, I just remember you've already added the configuration. And are you sure the configuration, the admin, the IAM user that you use is still active?
Oh, that's another thing. Let's go and check our IAM user.
You can try to use it on the VS Code to check if it's active. So
Okay.
It's okay. That's
We should
something.
we should check it on VS Code.
Yes, yes. Try AWS.
That would take a lot of time. Don't worry.
Okay, so you know what? Try control or try exit this machine or try a new batch. Open up a new terminal. Just click one of the old terminals. The other batch, yes.
Actually,
Yes, try the other, yeah. So from here now, you can just do AWS S3 LS.
Is it the same IAM?
I'm still going to check. I think there's a command for doing that.
Just go to view and view at the top and select palette command something. View
I didn't
and
get
VS
that.
Code.
View, okay.
where
And a command palette.
Command palette, okay. Go
where is it
ahead.
looking?
And you select the AWS. AWS, just search for it. AWS. Oh, you don't have it.
AWS one.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you don't have the plugin installed. Sorry. You have to have the AWS plugin installed on your VS Code. It's
I was
easier.
about
You
to
can
say
just
that.
easily check the configuration details with the one you are using.
And you can, in this case,
Everything.
now you can even try AWS configure. It will show you the last command. And someone gave a command that can help you check AWS configure.
That would be AWS IAM
Just try
list
configure.
user. Yeah,
Try it,
AWS
right?
IAM. Yeah,
Are you sure about that? Press enter.
IAM.
Oh, this key is ending with DOMP. DOMP. So let's go and check. I'm sure we had just one.
Yeah, DOMP.
This is active.
Q2C. Q2C.
So
It's the same thing.
it's the same thing. So what do we do? Let's go and check our
Keep
node exporter.
troubleshooting.
What did you say?
How you keep troubleshooting?
Yeah, so let's go and check our node exporter.
Node exporter.
Backend. Let's go. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm
Check the
sure the node
backend
exporter is
IP
up and running.
on port 1990 or something.
What did you say?
I'm thinking if you can check the backend on the port that you are using to view the metrics, it's going to show something. But it's running now. When you do systemctl, it was running.
Yes, it was. Okay, in this case now, let's try to connect to this instance here. Yes.
The backend.
Yeah, let's try to connect to it here. Just use not that. Just EC2 instance connect. Let's use the fast method here in the browser. Yeah.
Connect.
Yes. So we want to check if the node exporter is up and running again. Then we'll try to see how to troubleshoot node exporters. Let me see. We'll check if the service is up and running and probably see what port it is using. So let's go back to the tutorial.
Sudo system.
Okay, sudo system. Oh, sudo system will fine. Okay, let's Paul help with that. That should be sudo system systemctl, right?
Wait, are you saying VS Code?
No. Go back to the terminal we just opened now in the browser.
Okay.
No, the next tab. Yeah, sudo systemctl.
Slow.
What's the remaining part of the command set? Hold on. Just a minute.
I think it should be sudo systemctl status node exporter. I think that's the name of the service. Node dash exporter or something.
Zai.
Yeah,
I
enter.
tried.
Just enter first.
Is it node dash exporter when you created the system system SD or what's the file called now? Yeah, it's running now, it's active.
You know what? Let's try another command then. Try to call. Okay, try call. Control C. Just press Control C here. Control C. Then
7 times.
okay, so call HTTP localhost. Then call space HTTP ://
So slow.
localhost : okay, localhost : 9100 /metrics.
Zai.
Enter. Yes. So it seems this is fine. Just scroll up a little. Just scroll up. Let's read the content.
I think you should return an HTML page if it were to be up.
What I'm seeing here is not an HTML page, actually.
So
The output we're expecting is help.
try the 3 ports without the without the slash metrics. Try the 3
Without the
ports.
HTTPS, right? Without the HTTP, right?
Yes. Oh no. Probably network.
I need to get on my system.
Something tells me the node exporter is okay. But Prometheus, let's see. Let me share this with you so you see what I'm saying. I wasn't expecting this to actually take this much time.
Let's share.
No, don't stop sharing.
Show something. Okay.
No.
Show something.
No, just a link. So I want to confirm on my computer first before.
Sorry, which server are you logged in on? Yeah.
Oh, what's your question, please?
So, I mean, is it the Prometheus server here? I just logged in on my PC now. Oh, is
This
the
is
back?
this is the back end. This is the back end. So
Okay,
I
why
just
don't
sent
you? Okay.
why don't you
So why don't
what
you
are
do
you
something like call localhost, port 9090 ports, try the 3 ports and see if you get a response.
check this guide on Prometheus, node exporter.
Okay,
Scroll down. Scroll down. So you see downloading node exporter, and then so this was what I tried. So you should see an output like this. So I think it's up and running.
Okay. You can copy the call, the last call.
Yeah, you can copy the call and try again. So it's
This one.
yes. So we might be having issues with our Prometheus server.
The one below, why don't you try the one below so that it won't.
Oh, there's a possibility that the configuration, the additional file that we added for our YAML file. You remember where we input our user credentials, the key ID and the code. Probably could be that area in the YAML file that's having problems. Try to copy this first. Copy this first.
Yeah. Paste it here.
Yes.
Enter.
Yeah. Enter. Let's go and check the Prometheus server again. Try to reload this. Still this alone. Wonderful.
Go to the Prometheus server. I think
Let's try to SSH it
because it is not even seeing the nodes, even if it's not going to list anything. The settings should at least show where it is showing Prometheus here. We should have another one for nodes.
Exactly. So
there's not going to fetch anything.
I think it should be our configuration file. Do you get that? Should be our configuration file. Let me see.
Yes. Can you connect to the Prometheus server? Yes, everything will be there. Let me start.
Oh. What command should I?
Okay, can you cut the file, cut /etc/Prometheus to YAML?
It has gone off. I have to refresh the page or load the page.
I'm trying to see if I can get a sample configuration file of adding EC2 keepers, adding AWS keepers, sorry.
Try and cut the file. Let's view the content of the file for
What do you mean?
Prometheus server file.
What do you mean, cat?
I just press at CAT, then space, then the directly to the file.
Slash. I thought you were connected to it already. Yeah.
This is it, right?
Yeah.
So what should I type?
CAT space slash etc slash Prometheus slash Prometheus.yaml. Prometheus.yml. Okay. Enter.
It's not responding.
Just hold on. It should.
Okay.
Hold on. Why is there an hyphen on that region and the rest don't have hyphens?
Yeah, it's just the start of the list. So
And you don't think the rest should have hyphens?
Yeah, you should know that's the way it should be. Only if you are listing another thing, another configuration, then you would add maybe region yes,
okay.
ES2. Then the configurations for that one. Job name is correct. I'm trying to change what you are. And are you sure they are in the same region? Region US is one.
US is one. Let's check your region. US is one. And your key file has a space in between.
Oh,
probably
secret key. The secret key has a
yeah. Concatenated. So where should we change it now?
So no, just where you are, right where you are, you can use nano as well. Where you are, you can use nano, but it's just going to drag. Do you get it? It's dragging, or you can't feel it. The return.
It's dragging. That's what I've been saying since. It's quite slow.
Should we go to let's use Visual Studio? Oof.
So should I? Where was that error? I'm not seeing it on the text file.
Don't worry. You can't. Don't worry. Just we are going back to edit that file. We are not. We have no copy again. No copy and paste. Copy and paste brought us here. Yes. Just quit. Check the next bash. The other bash terminal. So are we still in? Which machine are we in? Okay, this is Prometheus. So just don't press that exit though. Just cancel that exit. Delete the exit. Oh, it's disconnected already. So use your arrow key once. If you use it twice, you're going back to copy. Once. Oh yeah, enter. So I hope it's the same machine that we are in.
But why don't you use the web one that you were using just now to do the settings and stuff?
I was thinking because it's slow. Okay, go back to the web then. We are here. Okay, this seems to be faster. So do sudo nano, then the etc sudo nano. We'll find out. Yeah, sudo nano. The response here is prompt. The browser, okay, so etc slash Prometheus.
Quite slow, but still better than the other.
Just press tab.
Okay, you can just okay slash Prometheus.yml.
Press tab.
You mentioned pressing tab. Prometheus.
Yes, it will autocomplete.
Okay, Prometheus.
Yeah. Okay. It's hanging. It's not doing anything.
Oh, so
Okay.
even this one too, we are placing it too. Oh, yeah, enter. Okay, yeah. Scroll down. Take your down arrow keys. Down arrow keys.
It's just hanging.
Yes,
It's
okay.
tired of it.
Oh, can you see that space here?
This is it.
No, you have to work your way down with the arrow keys. So this is the
That's
source of
good,
error.
man.
Wow.
So if it took 3 computers, no, I won't use 3 computers. If it took 3 people, how many minutes to find this error? How long would it take a person?
This thing is slow. Why is it not moving?
So please don't delete the wrong thing. No.
I'm not even deleted. It's the arrow keys I'm pressing. And
Just
it's
wait
not
for it
moving,
to
so-
respond. It's the network.
Okay. I think that's it. Let me do one more. Workspace. Okay.
Hallelujah. Oh, yeah. Control S.
Control S or X.
Sorry, don't mind me. Lead person.
Which one?
X is written there. Control X for exit. So to ask you to, are you sure you want to?
Okay.
Yeah. So yes, yes. Then enter.
So much.
We have to
Okay.
restart
Yes.
Prometheus. Yeah.
I don't think it's
Sudo.
there.
No.
So I'll tap it on-
Sudo. You have to write the command down.
Sudo.
What were you planning? Okay, to copyright.
Yeah, copy.
Okay, sudo
Instructions.
systemctl restart Prometheus,
I've
right?
typed since, so the thing is not
Yes.
going. Right?
Yes. So let's go back and check.
Ah, thank God. At least it's more than one than showing now.
Uh-huh. So ordinary key. No, I won't say ordinary key. He couldn't get access.
Oh my.
So,
Why is it?
well, you have some
You have a lot of
Refreshing.
servers. Okay, those
you
ones
have
that
some
you
dead
saw.
servers.
Okay.
Oh, let's try to click on this one.
Which one?
Click on all. You would have to go and terminate or remove those these down servers. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, this one that is up, just click on it. No, not that one, the one that is up. Wow. The one on top of the screen. Not that one. 172.31.84.29.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
I'm not sure you'll be able to access it. It's a private IP.
Oh, that's true. I never thought in that direction. So so let's go and read the instructions. Time is not on that side. I want us to leave early.
Okay.
I think the next needs to set the alert.
Yeah,
Alert
you set the
manager.
alert. Yeah. Then after that, you can take your screenshots. Please go to Prometheus. The instructions, please. You can take your screenshots later.
Not this Udacity.
No, Udacity, please.
I still think you have to come here anyway to the last tutorial.
Okay. So you're supposed to take a screenshot that you do that. Set up alert. So scroll up. Okay, set up alert. It's okay here. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need to set up some alerts. Install alert manager by following these instructions. Okay, let's go and install alert manager by following these instructions. Click on following these instructions. Just scroll down as usual, explanations. So
This one.
I think we are still connected to the Prometheus server, so we don't need to do that again. So we can just copy. We can copy install alert manager, or from wget to remove the alert manager. Yeah. Copy then.
I should paste it here.
Yes. Where you are Prometheus. Enter. So go back. So so you can copy the content here. First, let's try to create this configuration file. Copy etc Prometheus alert manager.yaml. Yeah. So copy. So let's use okay, sudo nano. So let's go back.
Copy all this, right?
I want
I have
us
to
to
edit it.
copy this. This has some secret portions you would not want to, except you are sure that we'll be editing this video. Or what do you think?
So, Victor,
You'd have to go and create an application in your what do you call it? In your Gmail account, if you want to use Gmail. So just copy everything here, copy it into a text editor. Copy it probably into your notepad or text editor somewhere. Then we'll try to edit it. So here now, email, okay, email me will be, okay, it's fine. Email me is fine as a name. So let's start from editing the email.